Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. I'm going to do some Voodoo Floss work on the elbow now. So this is really good if you want to restore sliding surfaces and also increase blood flow. So it's good for like tennis and golfer's elbow, those kind of things, tendon issues. So it's good if you can get someone else to do it for you, but it is also doable on your own. So you've got to try and lock the Voodoo Floss through halfway down the upper arm. So if you first of all just get it locked in, and then from there you're going to increase the stretch over the worst side of the elbow. So for me, I'm going to do lateral. I'm going to do the outside of the shoulder, and I'm going to overlap the floss halfway over the previous layer. So you're going to give it a good stretch, but the idea is to increase the stretch over the side that you really need it. So you're not going to have the same stretch both sides. Really pull through one side more than the other. So you can see if you've got someone else to do it, it is a lot quicker. You want to make sure your hand doesn't go black, but I wouldn't be too concerned with the little blue. So wrap it all the way down. The centerpiece is pretty handy to maintain the shape, and then just tuck underneath that end piece. So it can be a little bit fiddly, but it's worth it if you don't have someone around to still do the work. So from this position, you're going to go into, that's come undone. So you can hold that or just try and loop it through again. I'm going to come off one layer, loop it underneath. There we go. Okay. So you go into all your ranges of motion through the elbow. Okay, so you go into rotation all the way to the end. So you're really using the muscle contraction as you do it. And use different range through your shoulder as well, because you'll engage all those muscles that run from the shoulder down past the elbow, like bicep, tricep, for example. So about 60 to 90 seconds doing these ones. You can even push it into a bit of flexion in all those different angles of the forearm. You could use the wall even, just to push into different angles, which you can't quite get without some resistance. Even go into your rotation of the forearm, so it will bring in a bit of the shoulder movement. And then when you're ready, take that off as quick as you can. And that'll flush the blood through those tissues, and you'll find it's a lot lighter through that forearm, through the bicep, through the elbow. So if you can do that daily, it's really good if you're training in the gym or playing sport to do it before the sport, especially if it's something that aggravates the elbow, but at least get onto it once a day.